kind of fouling down that breaks down all the soils and dirt that is in the grout itself and on the surface. And then we'll be scrubbing it and then extracting it. This is an alkaline cleaner, a high pH. It's used to break down any oil, dirt, and grease that's in the grout. Then I'll scrub it to break it down a little more, and then I'll extract it with steam. This is an impregnation sealer. It's a solvent-based sealer. I'm going to apply it on the grout line so that way it'll keep any soil and dirt on the surface whenever they're maintaining it, and then they'll keep it cleaner for longer.